Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have JBL Quantum Stream Wireless USB-C microphone, and it has 100 meters of transmission distance. That's a lot, and we're gonna test if it's true. 24 hours of battery life, that's good. And yeah, it has some kind of application for the phone. And here we can see the product itself. It has a window. I like the packagings with window. They're great. So yeah, 2.0 GHz low latency. I don't know what it means, but sounds good. Here's some codes. Let's get straight into the box. Ooh, JBL Quantum Stream Wireless. So here's the case for charging. And what else? Here's the product. And yeah, quick start guide. And let's see what it has. So here's some registration. I don't want to register the product. Stop sending me this. Oh, look at this guide. It's like slim. It's like super short. Interesting. I think we can figure it out without this guide. And what are these? They always come with these. These are some kind of quality control maybe. And the classic JBL orange cord. It's longer than usual. That's bonus points maybe. Let's see this one. So this is the case. And what is here? There's some hidden things here. Oh, don't tell me it comes with the wind blocker, the fur thing. This is bonus points. Nice. So smooth. So I like this. It's soft. And yeah, the case. It doesn't open itself. It has like magnets and stuff. Nice. Let's see this one. Ooh. So this one goes to the phone, and this one goes to your like shirt. This is the microphone. Oh, it actually looks like one of those JBL, the Bluetooth speakers, the big ones that they carried around. I like this design. This looks pretty cool. It's super slim looking, like wireless microphone. I like this. So how do you put this wind blocker on it then? It has some kind of thing here, but so I don't know how to put this on. I have to figure it out. Anyway, so this one goes to the phone. Let's see if it fits phone with the big case. No, it doesn't fit phone with the big cases, so you have to be taking that into consideration. So if you want to film with this and you have a big case, you have to take it out like this, and then we put it on. Boom. It has a light here, so I guess it's working, but why do they have USB port here? That is interesting, because I thought it's charging like here. Does it have USB port inside here? I don't know. So, is it working now? Let's see. They have one button here. It's mute button. And here they have, just one button. That's it. Nothing else. I guess I'm gonna put this charging, and then we're gonna go out and try to film with them. Let's see, how does this charging works? This is interesting. It doesn't fit inside. Okay, now it fits, so good. Now there's a light. And how does this go inside? Is it supposed to go here? Oh yeah, it was this way. Good. Let's charge it up and meet you outside, and we're gonna do video test of this. It's time for the truth. Let's see if JBL Quantum Wireless microphone sound any good. So now it's recording through this, and this clip is pretty convenient. You can put it on your hat, for example. That's good. But most realistically, I think you're gonna put it like right here on your collar or on the edge of the jacket. But anyway, I'm in some kind of field, and behind me is construction yard. So let's jump down from here first. Whoa, crazy stunt. Okay, I didn't bring any camera stands, so this is kinda scuffed, but let's see how the microphone works first. So I'm walking around. I have the JBL Quantum Wireless microphone, and this is how it sounds like. Nice. I don't know if it's nice or not, but I just said nice for some reason. What happens if I run? Okay, boom. So it feels pretty convenient because you can make videos that requires you to do action. For example, I can climb up this tree like this. I'm up on top of the tree now with the JBL Quantum microphone. I don't know if it shows on the camera, but I'm here on the tree like a monkey. I'm a Finnish big monkey. I always climb on the trees. I think it's fun. And yeah, be careful not to fall down and break your legs. Wait, how do I get out here? Okay. Whoop. Oh, that was fun. Climbing trees is so much fun. I think we should do distance test next. Like, how far can we go without the microphone breaking apart? So I was wondering, should they go that way or should they go that way? I think we should go that way because there's not enough distance over there. I'm gonna go lost in the woods anyway, so... Ooh, there's this digging machine over here, so... I'm just gonna go as far away as possible now, and we're gonna see... Is it really gonna be 100 meters? I can check the distance on Google Maps later or something, but yeah, let's go. Imagine if some people thinks, oh, there's a rabbit over there. You didn't see it, but I saw it. Ooh, listen to this. Ooh. There's some pipes here. But yeah, as I was saying, imagine some people thinks that I'm about to steal some construction worker equipment here. Because there are people who steal like stuff from construction sites, like tools, then they sell it on eBay. Those people suck. I'm next to this excavator, the digging machine. Wow, this machine is huge. Unbelievable. Wow. I don't know if you can still hear, but I feel like this is about 100 meters because when you run 100 meter dash, this is about the same distance. But I'm gonna go even further away now. I'm now behind the digging machine. Okay, gonna come back now and see if it's recorded or not. I hope it did. Oh, running audio test. Running audio test. Running audio test. Boom. Okay, I really had to struggle to get this in, but I finally got it. And it looks so funny, look. It's like a, you know, the hat, the furry hat that you have on the winter. I don't know what's the name, but yeah. Let's see if it helps with the wind or something. So I'm gonna run as fast as I can. And does it block the wind? Let's see. Easy mode, let's go. So, yeah. And I'm coming back now. Zoom. This is a running test. This is a running test. This is a running test. I'm running so fast that my head fell off. So yeah, let's see if it worked or not. Okay, I just reviewed the footage of the microphone test, and I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with the results, especially the distance test. I estimate on Google Maps that it was 110 meters, and even then, it only cut after I went behind the digging machines and behind the rocks, so it was way over 100, so they didn't lie on the packaging. Bonus points. The sound quality could have been better in my opinion, because I have seen on YouTube people have much better audio quality, but for this price range I think it's acceptable. And also the design, big bonus points for the design. I like this. It looks like one of those JBL speakers that you carry around and play stupid songs in the public. This looks much better than the Rode wireless microphone, so bonus points also for that. But minus points for having to put this on your phone instead of just using like Bluetooth. But I think if you just use Bluetooth wireless microphone, the distance will be like shorter. So there's a catch. Do you want to use this and have greater distance? Or do you want to have just the Bluetooth wireless microphone like some other brands have and have shorter distance? I don't know. If you film like pranks in public, I think this can be great. But also the problem will be that if you have big phone case, this might restrict your filming. Also, if you want to put your phone on camera stand, some certain models might not fit this one, so it is pretty big, but it comes with greater distance, so you make the decision if you want to buy this or not. Yeah, the carry-on case is also convenient. I like. And yeah, also this one, it was hard to put on, but once you put it on, I noticed that it reduces the amount of like breath when you accidentally breathe on the microphone. So if you have the microphone like right here, you have to be really careful when you breathe and talk to not blow on it, because it's, as you can hear, you heard it on the video, it sounds on the video. So maybe you can put the microphone like this on the cap, so when you breathe, it's not gonna go into the microphone. So don't put it too close like this. Maybe you can put it like sideways like this, like somewhere in here or something. Yeah, this is a good like wireless microphone for general purpose. For like many situations this will be useful, with long battery life, 6 hours. Also the price and the quality and the performance value is like perfect on this one. So I think I'm gonna give this like 8 out of 10. You need this if you want to film videos like pranks or like presentations where you have to go far away and you have microphones. So yeah, great starter. If you're like, if you don't want to go to the super expensive one, this is great. I guess there's even cheaper ones. This is less than 100, but like 50 to 100, depends on what country you're from. But I mean, if you compare it to like 30-euro ones, don't get those because they're crap. Just invest more and get straight away JBL. I'm gonna put some link down below, Amazon, where you can buy it, so you can get the exact model if this video impressed you. But yeah, JBL, quality as always. Harman, it's a great company, owned by Samsung by the way, so I've had many Samsung products on this channel recently for some reason, but it's not, it's a coincidence. But I'm gonna get more to like ramen and instant coffee reviews soon, maybe some Lego videos, Pokemon cards. So yeah, thanks for watching this review, like the video and subscribe, and see you guys in the next epic consumer goods expert review. Thanks for watching. By the way, I forgot to mention that if you get the app for this microphone, you can adjust the mic volume, the noise cancellation, and also the LED brightness and some auto power off. So I don't think this is for me, but if you need these kind of features, that's bonus points.